Whispering in the heart of the Amazon, the world's greatest rainforest, Amazon biome darkness reigns. A blanket of silence covers the rainforest floor, broken only by the rustle of unseen creatures. But beneath the cloak of night, a drama is about to unfold. As the first rays of sunlight pierce the dense canopy, the rainforest awakens. The toucan's call signals the start of the daily performance, a symphony of sound orchestrated by nature itself. Howler monkeys, the rainforest's heavyweights, announce their presence with booming calls. Their movements shake the branches, sending cascades of dewdrops sparkling like diamonds in the morning light. Each creature plays its part in the grand production. Spider monkeys groom each other, strengthening social bonds. Delicate butterflies pollinate exotic flowers, ensuring the future of the forest. Even the seemingly lethargic sloth plays a vital role, its fur providing a haven for tiny insects that contribute to the delicate balance of life. But amidst the beauty, there is tension. The jaguar, a top predator in the rainforest, embodies the constant dance of life and death that defines the rainforest ecosystem. Its hunt ensures the survival of its species while keeping prey populations in check. From the silent stalk of the jaguar to the playful antics of the marmosets, every action contributes to the intricate web of life. This symphony of dawn is a testament to the resilience and interconnectedness of the rainforest ecosystem. As the day progresses, the tempo of the symphony slows. The frenetic energy of dawn gives way to a more measured rhythm, a constant.